question on that one? Okay, our last one. An ultralight plane had been flying for 40 minutes when a change of wind direction doubled its ground speed. The entire trip of 160 miles took 2 hours. How far did the plane travel during the first 40 minutes? All right, so again, we're having one traveler here in two situations. So I'll call it first and second part. However you want to label that is up to you. Okay, an ultra-light plane had been flying for 40 minutes. So 40 minutes is how much of an hour? 2/3. So the first part is 2/3 of an hour. When a change of wind direction doubled its speed, the entire trip of 160 miles took 2 hours. So if the first part of the trip is 2/3, then the second part of the trip is how long? 1 1/3, or as an improper fraction, we're going to make that 4/3. Okay, so when the wind changed, the speed was doubled. So we started then at x. Are we doing miles per hour? It doesn't say, does it? We'll just assume. So if I doubled it, that means to multiply by 2. So, distance box, always rate times time. X times 2/3, 2/3 x. 2x times 4/3. 2 times 4/3 is 8/3. It's like 2/1 times 4/3. So, we've got this plane. It's traveling along. The wind changes, we keep going. And then those two parts together are my 160. If they don't give you a total distance, you can't do a total distance question. This is a total distance. They're telling you the entire trip. So the distance of the first part plus the distance of the second part equals my 160. Oh, there is miles. There is miles. I missed that a while ago. 160 miles. I can take everything times 3. I can add my x's together. I got to multiply by 3 eventually. So if I multiply by 3, I'm going to have 2x plus 8x equals 480. Again, I just took everything times 3 to get rid of my fractions. So 2x plus 8x is 480. 10x is 480, and then divide by 10, and I get 48. But you're not done. Look at my chart. X represents the rate for the first part. But what do they want to know? They want to know how far did the plane travel during the first 40 minutes. So here's what they're looking for right here. How far, this is the first part, so this is what we're looking for. So I need to take 2/3 times x. So 2/3 times 48. And I get 32. So 32 miles during the first part of the trip.
did you get 4/3?
Because 40 minutes, we took 40 minutes for the first part.